2020, Hyundai puts a new name on its latest attempt to crack the 3-row SUV segment. The 8-passenger 2020 Palisade makes its global premiere at the 2018 Los Angeles Auto Show before going on sale early next summer. Palisade is an extremely important vehicle, said Mike O'Brien, Vice President, Product, Corporate and Digital Planning for Hyundai Motor America. It's a flagship SUV. In the old days, the flagship would have been Azera, but now an SUV is the flagship. It's the largest SUV we've ever made, O'Brien said. The 2020 Palisade is 3.0 inches longer than the Santa Fe at 196.1 inches, with a 4.0-inch longer wheelbase, at 114.2 inches. The new 3-row crossover is also 3.6 inches wider. Hyundai has tried to crack this nut before. It stretched the Santa Fe, calling the long wheelbase version the Santa Fe XL for 2019. But it was too narrow to comfortably accommodate 7 passengers with 3 squished into the 3rd row, and there wasn't enough room to maneuver between the seats in the 2nd row to access the very back. The Santa Fe XL struggled to complete a tough segment that includes well-known names including the Ford Explorer, Honda Pilot, Toyota Highlander, Nissan Pathfinder, Dodge Durango, and Mazda CX-9. The segment also has newcomers, Volkswagen Atlas and Subaru Ascent. Last year Hyundai sold fewer than 28,000 3-row Santa Fe SUVs in the US compared with 270,000 Explorers, 127,000 Pilots, and almost 216,000 Highlanders.